Welcome to CdotCarterNails and come and do a set with me. This set I'm going to do today is going to be a very chrome base with a nude. Very heavy metal punk rock is my favorite set of nail style. I've been seeing this trend too in many different styles, and if I could just pick one set that I've always wear, this one is going to be it. It speaks to me. It is my style and my vibe. Chrome will never go out of style, okay? So I'm going to start by measuring my nails, and I'm using these fully press on nail tips other than the nail tips that just goes directly on the tip. I prefer using these to be able to take my nails on and off, and it's just a little bit acrylic at the cuticle, and then the rest is on a press on, so it all comes off on one. Long as I don't use any primer. And I probably shouldn't have been drilling it because that's gonna just make it last longer. And I was drilling it thinking that I was going to use the primer, but I ended up not. I'm using this new color by Valentino. It is Bad and Bougie. I use this new color for most new sets right now that I'm just going to lay the acrylic. Sometimes I use the 1 ball method, sometimes the 2 ball method, and what that is it also could be referred to as bead, picking up 1 bead. Sometimes I will use 1 or 2. It depends on the nail length, and for really long nails it kind of ended up being 2 to 3. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay it down and then smooth it all out. So with the brush, you just want to keep brushing until it's all smooth in. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of the nails. And right here, I was getting my camera set up together, you know, having the 2 screens so you can see it's 2 different angles also. So you can see from 2 different angles. You know, I'm trying to set it up, y'all. I'm trying to get it right, okay? So this is just bear with me, okay? I am getting there, okay? Like that. And this is how it came out, very raw. When you lay the acrylic, it kind of makes the stiletto nails a little bit wider. So I'm gonna file them in. Right now I'm just gonna do the other hand, and then once both hands are laid, then I'm gonna go in with filing. I am finished laying the acrylic, and this is how it came out. I'm going to be going in with switching the drill bits from the sand bit to a coarse bit. That is for shaping, and it takes off a lot more, a lot faster. This is the shaping drill bit. That's what I call it. My nails are pretty much smooth, but it'll smooth it out more, the whole nail plate. And then I'm mostly going to be going in the sides and making them more perny and stiletto. And doing your own hand, let me just tell you, it is not for the weak, especially your right hand. And I used to do both my hands like a lot more often than I do now. I literally trained myself to be ambidextrous. That's when you can use both hands. After me doing both hands so long, I became ambidextrous. That's crazy. Yeah, it took me a little bit longer than how it used to. It used to be so easy because I did it like every week. I was doing my nails different, and now I kind of don't do them as much. But that's about to change now. I'm about to get back to how it was, and I'm gonna be doing my nails a lot more. I'm gonna be posting more of tutorials of different type of nail sets, and just more teaching about like the pros, the cons, and just everything. And I know how hard it is to start off. I started off like 7-8 years ago and have been through everything in between, literally. I even opened my own nail shop. In like the 4th year of me being a nail tech license, everything has because I was doing it before. And cons. This shape is perfection. Now I'm going to be going in with the nail design, and I'm using black polish as a base for the chrome. And yeah, I'm using the polish right out the polish bottle. No fancy brush. I have all that, but since it's going to be like a big swiggle line, I can do it this way. But if you need you have to do what's comfortable kind of design paintbrush, you can use that. That's how you win. You do what feels comfortable and what you're going to do your best job with. What tool you're going to use your best job with, and you can feel it as you go. That's when you're really locked in, when you know what tool to use for what design, and if it's easier to use a nail polish brush right out the nail polish bottle. It just depends, and You have to fill it out, and like I said, you become a natural when everybody is different. Sure what tools you need for and how you pick up your style and way of doing things. So everybody's style of ways to do the same design is different. I have taught myself. As I'm sitting down minding my business doing my nails, still I had to drop everything. Every single thing literally into my house. I had the door open because it was raining outside, and I just love just having the door open when it's raining. But now I am not anymore. Like, that was so scary. Right now I'm using the builder gel. It is hard gel, and you can use this to actually do a full set, but I use it to mold and to get that 3D effect, because I'm going to put black polish on top, and then I'm going to put the chrome, because the black base is for the chrome. So I'm putting the black polish to make it just a little bit thicker so it can be more 3D and stand out. And now I'm going to be using this chrome base. It is a chrome base for chrome specifically, not just a base coat or a top coat. It's for the chrome to stick. So this is the chrome base that I'm using. I'm just outlining where I want it to be on the outline that I drew and that I molded with the hard gel. And now that it is dry, I'm going to put on the chrome base now and watch how this magic works. It is so satisfying to see the finished product of this chrome this chrome base really makes this chrome works. Without it, you cannot. So I'm going to put it on all my fingers that I designed it to be on. So after this step, you don't need to dry. You just need to dust off all the excess residue, and it's only going to stay on the chrome base that you put on. So then you're going to seal it with the top coat. I prefer the shiniest top coat. If you're not going to do a matte top coat, a shiny top coat will do. And yeah, I'm just going to lay it specifically on the outline. And then everything else will, when I wipe it with an alcohol pad, it will fall off. So you won't have to worry about having shiny dust on any part of the nails except for the coat base parts that you put it on. This process is okay. So now it's drying it underneath. I'm cleaning up my dryer, and instead of me like polishing every 5 fingers or every 10 fingers, since I'm doing one hand each, I actually do like a few fingers. Like I do 2 fingers and then 2 fingers, and then so I'm putting my hand in the dryer a lot, which is kind of bad, but that's how I have to do it when I'm doing my own hand. And I'm not really sure of the design, so I don't want to polish every 5, even one hand, 5 fingers. I don't want to polish 5 fingers when I'm not sure of the design. It's a lot of sticking my hand in and out the dryer when I'm freestyling a look. And yeah, I finished one hand. I liked it how that came out. And then you see on the different hand, I actually added pearls on. Like, where was pearls going at on this look? But it worked out. It was what I was feeling. That was the vibe. And pearls and chrome, it just goes together. Okay? It just does. I use this hard gel for the 3D layer. And me, I'm the type of person where it's hard to stick to one commitment. I just want to do a lot of different things. in the same family, in the same vibe, but just a few different things. And I kind of have to like paste it out to see, is this gonna look good or not, you know? So that's all the reasons why I do 2-3 hands at a time when I'm like freestyling, especially my own, where I have all the time in the world to just be fun and creative and do what I love to do something that is my passion to do. And I can just zone out and take as long as I want when I'm doing my own nails. And let me just tell you, that is what I absolutely love. Okay, so my set now is just about finished. The chrome is finished, and I'm gonna dust it off and then put my clear coat on, and then I'm all done. I'm really so happy and excited of the way this set came out, and hopefully I can take them off like press-ons. I didn't put any primer on so I can be able to, but I did drill it in the beginning and I was not supposed to. Hopefully I can take them off as press-ons, maybe not as soon as, maybe I have to wait like 2 days. I feel like I would have to wait at least a day or two, and then I would clean them, and just like the underneathness of the nail glue sticking, I just clean that off, and I have my press on. I absolutely love how both hands came out. My chrome metal with the new base, I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these nails and as much as I did creating them, and I would like to see how you guys create them. Follow my Instagram. Please like and subscribe to see more videos and content. CdotCarterNails. Thank you for watching again. Peace and love until next time.